Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Indhira Aulia and I'm from class 9.1. My absent number is 16 and today I will tell about the material of mathematics, namely quadratic equation. So first I will tell about quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? So quadratic equation has a general form, namely ax squared plus bx plus c, where the value of a, b, and c is a real number and the value of a is not a zero. So I already tell about the general form is ax squared plus bx plus c, where the a is a coefficient of x squared and the b is a coefficient of x and the c is a constant. So actually there are three ways to solve the quadratic equation, namely with factorization and then completing the square and also formula. So I will give the example of quadratic equation using the factorization. So in this factorization, first you have to multiply the a and the c and the result. And when you have find the result, then you have multiplied a number that the result is the a multiplied with the c, and then the number that you use in multiply also should be used in adding the number that has the result of value of b. And then after that you have to find the x. While in the formula of solving this quadratic equation is minus b plus minus with roots of b squared minus with 4 times with a times with c and then divided by 2 times with a. So after you finished input all the number and you have found the answer, then you also have to find the x just like the factorization. And in completing the square is actually a little bit complicated and it is the hardest way, but actually you can find the solution in quadratic equation using these two methods, namely the factorization and also formula, because completing the square is a little bit hard and a little bit complicated rather than using the factorization and also the formula. And in this completing the square, this c is must change the position to 0, so it become minus, and then you have to add the c with 1/2 and then multiply with the value of b, and then you find the factorization and you find the value of x. So I will give the example of the completing the square. So it is like this. So yeah, it's a little bit hard. So in my opinion, to find a solution of quadratic equation, is the simple way is using the factorization. If you cannot find in the factorization, you can find the solution in using the formula. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.